Okay, I did it. I finally found a spot where this short end on the Reaper set Z-bar in 50,000 works really, really well. In fact, it works amazing. Slides right in there and boom, ready to go. It is awesome. Awesome for this. It's the first time I actually can say that I'll probably use this Z-bar in 50,000. Because if you look at, say, other ones, I'll grab the 50 and the regular Z-bar, it wants to move and get jammed up in there, and they're all like that. No matter how you use any of these, it just is not, like, maybe, but then it's just not consistent. This bad boy goes in there and it's all over. It's all over. You're ready to go.